Hi everybody! In this lesson we will learn the alphabet of the Turkish language. So let's start. Turkish alphabet consists of 29 letters. 21 of those letters are consonants and 8 are vowels. Now, note the fact that Turkish alphabet is based on Latin script, which means that those learners of the Turkish language whose native language is based on the Latin alphabet will have very much familiarity with the Turkish alphabet too. So let's start with the alphabet. A. Araba. Araba. B. Baba. C. Civciv. Ç. Çiçek. D. Dede. E. El. F. Fare. G. Güneş. Yumuşak G. Kağıt. H. Herkes. I. Işıltı. İ. İncir. J. Jilet. K. Koku. L. Lale. M. Mermi. N. Nane. O. Otobüs. Ö. Örümcek. P. Pipet. R. Resim. S. Ses. Ş. Şişe. T. Turta. U. Uzun. Ü. Üzüm. V. Veri. Y. Yaya. Z. Zaman. Let's now repeat the whole alphabet from the beginning to the end. A. B. C. Ç. D. E. F. G. Yumuşak G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. Ö. P. P, R, S, Ş, T, U, Ü, V, Y, Z, A, B, C, Ç, D, E, F, G, yumuşak G, H, I, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Ö, P, R, S, Ş, T, U, Ü, V, Y, Z. That's it. Congratulations. You now know the Turkish alphabet. See you in the next lessons. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible.